Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change image background to white in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to change the image background to white. Go to the blank page, then select the place tool and choose a picture. Then click open. Then place this picture. Now we can see this picture have a background. Now we want to make this background to white. Go to a browser. Now I go to Microsoft Edge browser. Then write removebg.com. Then go to the first website. Then click the upload image option and upload the image which we want to remove the background. Then wait some moment to removing the background automatically. Now we can see this background is removed. Then download this image and we can see here download the image very easily. Then go back the publisher document and again select the place option and place the background removal image. Select this image and click open. Then place. Now we can see we make a picture to white background image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.